Hey Jeep lovers! Welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your ultimate stop for Jeep reviews, mods, and off-road gear. Today, we're diving into something every Grand Cherokee owner needs: the best air filters to keep your engine breathing clean and strong. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling dusty trails, a good air filter can mean the difference between peak performance and sluggish response. We tested and reviewed the top 5 air filters from Amazon, rated for fit, performance, and long-term value. Let's jump in. Number 5. EPaUto Engine Air Filter. The EPaUto Flexible Panel Engine Air Filter is built for reliability and precise fitment in Jeep Cherokee models, 2014 to 2018, and other selected Chrysler platforms. Although it's technically designed for the Cherokee rather than the Grand Cherokee, many Jeep enthusiasts use it as a benchmark for EPaUto's build consistency and filtration quality. Constructed with a flexible synthetic media panel, it ensures proper sealing in the housing and prevents unfiltered air leaks, a critical factor for maintaining clean airflow to the engine. Drivers report that after replacing a dirty OEM filter with this one, they notice smoother idle and slightly improved acceleration. Its pleat spacing helps it trap more debris before clogging, making it ideal for city and mixed driving conditions. While it's not a performance filter, its simplicity and affordable cost make it a practical option for Jeep owners who prioritize easy maintenance. However, in heavily dusty or off-road conditions, it might require replacement sooner than premium options like Candan or a dry-flow filter. Number 4. EPaUto Engine Air Filter. The EPaUto Engine Air Filter is a solid OEM-style replacement compatible with multiple vehicles, including the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Durango, and select Toyota and Lexus models. It uses a high-efficiency pleated paper element that effectively captures debris, pollen, and road dust while maintaining proper airflow to the engine. For Jeep Grand Cherokee drivers, that balance translates to smoother acceleration and consistent fuel economy during daily driving or long highway trips. Users frequently mention that the EPaUto filter fits snugly in the factory housing without the need for adjustments. The rigid frame and uniform pleat spacing help it resist collapse, even under high-temperature engine bay conditions. A few reviewers noted cleaner throttle response after installation, suggesting reduced intake restriction compared with a heavily used stock filter. However, the filter lacks a foam sealing ring that some premium competitors include, which could allow slight vibration in very rough off-road use. It's also better suited for on-road or mixed-use drivers rather than extreme dusty trails. Number 3. BOSCH HEPA Cabin Air Filter. The BOSCH 6040C HEPA is a premium cabin air filter built to OEM standards for the Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2024, and Dodge Durango. It uses true HEPA filtration, capable of trapping 99.97% of particles greater than or equal to 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, soot, and smoke. That makes it an excellent choice for drivers with allergies or sensitivity to airborne pollutants. Real-world feedback shows noticeable improvement in cabin air freshness after installation. Many users mention a cleaner airflow and fewer dust particles on dashboard surfaces after driving a few hundred miles. The construction feels durable with a rigid frame and tightly packed media, reducing the chance of warping in humid conditions. Because this filter targets microparticulates rather than just larger dust, it's particularly helpful in urban traffic or during pollen season. However, its high density means slightly lower airflow compared to basic carbon filters, and the price is a bit higher. Still, for Jeep owners who prioritize clean interior air, the BOSCH 6040C is a worthy upgrade with long-lasting filtration efficiency. Number 2. Cabin Air Filter W/Activated Carbon. This cabin air filter with activated carbon is designed specifically for Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2021, and also fits certain Dodge Durango models. It's built to trap fine particulates, PM2.5, dust, pollen, and odors by integrating multi-layer media and a carbon layer that neutralizes VOCs and foul smells. Many Jeep owners report that, after a few weeks of highway and city driving, the interior air feels noticeably cleaner, especially in polluted or smog-prone areas. One user noted that odors from exhaust and traffic smells were significantly reduced inside the cabin. A common practical use case, drivers replacing the old factory cabin filter often find that the new activated carbon version leads to fresher HVAC air output and fewer musty odors during heat cycles or after sitting parked in humid environments. On the flip side, because this is a relatively low-cost filter, the carbon layer tends to degrade faster under heavy use. Also, under extreme dusty environments, off-road trails, desert, the filter may clog sooner, reducing airflow to the HVAC system. Number 1. EPAuto Engine Air Filter. The EPAuto GP075 CA10755 is a versatile replacement filter that is compatible with multiple V6 engine applications, including the Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6L, 5.7L, 6.4L models from 2011 to 2021. It's often cross-referenced with Fram CA10755 and OEM part numbers like 178010P050, making it a straightforward drop-in upgrade. In practice, many users report that the EPAuto GP075 shows good dust-trapping performance, even in dusty roads. It prevents dirt intrusion into the intake tract. It also helps maintain stable throttle response and smooth idling after highway use in polluted environments. One reviewer who's used it for over 3 years affirmed, "Good quality, serves the purpose." However, it's not perfect. Its pleat density is solid but not ultra high-end, so in extremely dirty or off-road conditions it might require more frequent inspection. Also, some users note slight packaging variances across batches. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best air filter for Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Adventure Jeep, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear reviews and off-road adventures. Got a favorite air filter or a question? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from our Jeep family. Until next time, keep your ride clean, your engine breathing, and your adventure rolling.